This is my PPG pillow paint. And I'm going to swirl it around. Okay. After you swirl it around, you bring the weight of the paint back to the middle. Center it on your spinner. So this is my spinner. It's a little cake spinner that I covered with saran wrap. And I put a little cap on it. And I seal the cap with some extra paint, so it doesn't slide and fly off the spinner. But it doesn't mean the tile can't. So this is a custom color that is Master's Touch yellow medium and white with some iridescent medium also in here to make it nice and shiny, because I like shiny things. Let me put a cap on that. Alright, the next color is going to be Folk Art Gold. I'm trying to learn how to just put a little bit of paint down. I don't want to cover the whole tile with paint because I do like negative space. And that is a difficult thing for me to achieve a lot of times. Oops. Alright, this is a custom color with that same medium yellow and red mixed together to form this coral color. And again, I also put a little iridescent medium in there. I'll just use a little press and seal. Cover up my colors when my lid disappeared. And so this is the Master's Touch yellow medium that I made the 3 other colors from. Kind of reminds me of mustard. Friendship mustard. All the paint's covered up and ready for my cell activator. Make sure it's cell activator, not my pillow paint. Move it down the middle. And then I'm going to do is just blow straight down, and when you blow down, it will form a circle, and you can see it like a ridge where the cell activator is being spread out, and then you blow so the cell activator covers the other colors. And that's how you get your cells. If you tell, I don't blow all the color to the edge. And I'm just going to blow a little bit more. Get the paint to come through. While that's doing its thing, I'm going to pop a few bubbles. Okay, we'll do a little doodle, doodle doodle. Okay, I'm gonna break that edge up a little bit. One thing about this pillow paint, it does dry pretty fast, so it sometimes will form a little ridge, and that's why you need to break that ridge up so the paint can flow over it. Alright, let's give it a spin. Spin again. I'm just moving the paint from underneath to spots that would need a little bit more to help it to flow a little better. Alright, let's do another one. And around they go. Where it stops, nobody knows. Just pop in little bubbles, getting some white spots. I have a feeling on this one it's going to be full coverage on the tile, which is fine. It's not my preferred. For some reason I like the negative spacing. I like it where the colors kind of complement each other. And let's make sure she's centered. Spot. Give her spin. Just removing some of the extra paint that's on the underneath. Remove it before it slings off, because I still have to spin. Less mess later. Okay. And a couple little pops. And if for some reason you get down too far and the paint doesn't want to do what you want it to do, you can make little swirlies in it. And just be creative. And I'm going to take its temperature. Not bad. Let's go the other direction. I don't mind the cell activator. Kind of leave it a little thicker there. Helps complement the other side. One more spin. Okay, now I'm going to clean up the edges. So the edge, down, back. Edge, down, back. Okay, I'll show you. What's your opinion? You like her? She's bright and colorful on this gray day. Alright, until next time, create more art.